Okay, now we will discuss how to copy and how to move data. Okay, so we will discuss copying and moving of data. Simply, I will select it at the top. You can increase the size, you can change the color, you can change to bold, italic. Okay, fonts also you can change the color. Okay, there are so many options you can apply. Now, simply, I will write some names. Okay, select the cell where we are writing the names, everything. These are called cells. Simply, I will change the color so that it will look nice. Then, few names I will write. Like, first, I have written Abhi, then, I have written Neha, then, I have written Richa, Varun, Sarita. Okay, so you can write few names, any names you can write. Now, firstly, we will discuss how to copy data. Okay, now remember one thing, when we are copying the data, we are having two copies, one original copy as well as one the copy which we are creating. Okay, now I have written copying of data. I will select it, I will change the color font. Now simply I will select all these names, then I will click on copy, right click, and then I will copy. I will move to the location where I want to copy the data. Simply I will go there and right click, and then I will click paste. So you can say now you are having two lists, one original list where names are written and one where copying of data is written. Okay, so by using control plus C or copy option, we can copy the data. So we will be having two copies. Now we will discuss moving of data. Remember one thing, when we are moving the data, we are having only one set of data. Okay, when we are moving the data, now suppose I have selected all the data from names, I will click on cut. When I will click on cut and when I will move to the next location, I will simply do control plus V or paste. Okay.